broke the record for Subsonic suicide. Yeah, that's crazy, man. It ended up being like.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I come in? Can you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Mariano. I got 4 ZB515s, 2 Terra AKs. I'm only climbing 5K at the moment. The box was designed by Drew Jones, and I designed it. I built it.
Okay.
I actually have a previous video with you.
You used to have 2 15s and a 6 and a C-pillar. Now you're a B-pillar with double cone area.
Yeah, the castle. Remember the castle?
Yep.
Yeah.
I remember. Looks really good.
No, I appreciate it. I saw you, I was like, man, I gotta...
Yes, sir, man. Yeah.
They seal you off. You want me to seal you off?
Whatever's loudest. You do what you want to do. You're in control, man.
I'll play lows first.
Sure.
Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me, these are all my confessions. With me since editing. Petty, bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back. God, I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Way it is what it is. Trust me, you get what you get.
That's really good, man.
Yeah, this is a 55 at 20.
Awesome.
Yeah, I haven't made remeter to see where my peak is at.
Yeah.
I have no idea. I competed some Subsonic, that's all.
Yes, sir.
DJ hurts music. Now ballin' on the city like king of the south. 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 Grew up on the countryside of town. Yeah. like funk. Kick this, I flow with you.
Awesome. Wow.
I'm only collecting 5K, so I have 2 8Ks right now.
2 8Ks going, so you got a good bit of rise, yeah.
It's rising to 3.
3.
I just gotta add more power, and
Sure.
they want more power.
Oh yeah. Yep. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem, man. I had to catch you, man.
Yes, sir. Big jump from last time.
I appreciate it.
Nice job, man. And you're probably in the, once you get power, you'll probably break 60s. For sure. Oh yeah, you will for sure. You have a good day, man.
You too, man. I don't know what the peak is yet. I haven't metered it.
That shit you did just go up.
And I just broke the record for Subsonic suicide.
Yeah. That's crazy, man. What you end up being like with the final points and everything? What in
160.1.
I'm losing it now. And wall 2. Fucking crazy. Wall 2, Subsonic, motherfucking 160. Stuck together.
Recognize back to me. They say what I want, man, is what it had to be. This if that ain't not working after 3, man. This is why my homegirl was mad at me. It's why I'm in majesty. Man, the click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the tricks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the we not divided, the love is divided, and not just the guy that they got that we got it. Oh God, I'm here for a good time, not a long time. You know, I haven't had a good time in a long time. Well, I feel blessed. Well, I feel blessed. Well, I feel It is what it is. like fuck. I like petty, bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you get.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.